the mad court. I'm outside. The whole world of it. And my sisters are over there. It is fun. And I like to play it.
Where are you at, Adam?
Splash pad.
Splash pad. All right, go. Woo!
That feels good.
Oh man, I'm looking at the flower. And there's Jade over there. Way over here, there's Sage and baby Aiden. And their Auntie Shaw, there's Daddy. And there's also Grandma. Adam's grandma. Look at Aiden. Oh my gosh, Aiden! Hello, baby! Hi, Aiden. Hi, Jay. Little crazy kid. And here's Adam. He likes to play with this thing over here. Come on, Adam. What are you doing now? Is the water cold? No? It's broken? Oh no. Whoa! Oh my God. What are you doing, Adam? There goes Jane. It's a nice hot day here. There's Daddy. Huh?
Let's go do the dump of water, buddy.
Let's go. Woohoo! Sorry for the bad recording. I don't want to get wet. The water is pretty cold. Oh no, I'm in the middle of the splash pad. Oh, right there, it's coming. They're doing this thing right to move the bucket. Look at my little baby over there. No, sister, you're gonna make it get wet. What are you doing to my poor baby? Ah! Oh my God, I'm getting splattered. All right, guys. It's about 90-something degrees right now. So it's the perfect day for the splash pad. Oh no, I'm stuck right in the middle of the splash pad with my phone. Oh, I gotta get out of here now. My phone's getting wet. Shusha, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Check out Sage's vlog. Right, Shusha? What's your YouTube? What's your YouTube name? Sage Yang. Check it out. She'll have something on her channel as well. The last time we were here, it was probably about 2 years ago when I was pregnant with Aiden. And he's already 18 months. Oh, you see Jay's little butt crack there. Shusha, she has a little butt crack. Pull it up. Pull up her butt crack. I got it on the vlog.
You cold?
Shusha! Pull up her underwear! James!
You too cold, buddy?
Adam! Adam! Oh my gosh. It is so much fun. The water is super nice and cold. Adam! Adam! Say hi! Adam! So hit that smash like button if you think this is fun. It is super fun here. And it's a pretty big splash pad. There's a big park over there that we probably will go to later. And there's a little kiddie area over there.
Hello.
Hi, Sage. How is it going so far? Wow, look at your glasses.
The glasses came off.
It's okay, we'll clean them.
You dunked on me. My glasses came off. I'm like, where is it?
Oh, yeah. Okay. So far, they're really liking this thing. A whole bunch of water fills up in those 2 buckets and pours on them. Oh my gosh, I'm getting wet right here. And here it comes. Oh, they're taking a little break. And here's Aiden, my daddy. He's already so cold because the water is really cold. But this is his first splash pad. And he doesn't look too happy right now, but that's okay. There's our things. Ooh, the ground is super hot without any shoes on. There they go.